Hello, are you having problems seeing out of your seal beam headlights, especially when the road is wet at night and you install new lights, but it really doesn't improve that much? I just happened to stumble across these LEDs. Now, I'm looking for the brand, the part number, the name. I don't see anything. So I apologize for not being able to offer you any information on it, but we're going to install these because I just want to compare, see the difference between regular standard lights and LED lights on an S4700. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. All we have to do is just plug into the current wire harness. Wow, what a difference. That inspired me to go ahead and do the right side. Amazing. What a big difference. Low beam and high beam. From the look of this, now you want to make sure your adjustments is right on your international truck or any truck you put LED lights on. Make sure you see my video on the 4300 how to adjust the headlights because the look of them, they are definitely brighter. Now, once you do that, if you need to make any adjustments, I will lower the left side a little bit lower than the right side because you do not want to blind any oncoming motorists. Well, now we know the difference between the seal bulb and the LEDs. I hope this video was helpful. I was curious myself to see what difference it would make. Take care and God bless.